Okay, so debug inline values. Basically, this setting shows variable values inline in the editor when you're debugging. By default, is set to false, and VS Code's documentation says that it's set to false by default, even though it's a useful feature, because it's expensive and it may slow down stepping. But I'm just gonna show you how this works. So let's set it to true. And let's go to this JS file, and I've just created a variable here called test, and it has a breakpoint. So let's launch this thing. Okay. Now we've reached the breakpoint, and when we go over it, the variable is set. Right now it says inline test equals 6. And if we go over it again one more time, it's going to say test equals 10. I think this is useful. And my recommendation is to leave this setting turned on unless your stepping is really slow, and it's just so slow that you need to turn it off. Because otherwise, it's a very useful feature. So I would leave this one as true.